I got a text from Tom, it must have been Thursday, and he said that the 95, they ran it out of gas and now it won't start. So I tried bleeding it at the filter. She still wouldn't fire. So this is a 3-cylinder. So I cracked all the injection lines and then get a little tap. So they're over on this side of the engine, and 3 lines that come in the top, kind of really hard to get at. The front one's easy, but the other 2 not so much. Let's see if she'll fire. So that was what the problem was. So if you ever have to bleed these, well, I don't have the hood open now, but up in here, you gotta go up in there, you'll see some hard lines, and they kind of come in the top side, and crack them. My friend Ethan told me, when you crack them, hit them with your wrench, the lines, to make sure you break that seal. So, and then they're kind of a pain to get at, but maybe if I had like a brake line wrench, it might have worked better. But anyway, we got her working, so now he can finish doing his feed here. But yeah, it's a new experience for me. Well, thanks for watching, guys. My finger out of the way. We do have a Facebook page, and you can order. Right now we've been doing hoodies and hats if you want to order one of those. Otherwise, we'll get t-shirts here, getting that stuff set up. Beginning stages. But I want to go work on an H now, see if I can get some spark in her. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep watching and see some more tractor repairs. All right, have a good one.